Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, we are going to see some useful apps that will let you to download lock screen wallpapers with the depth effect for your iPhone. If you have recently installed iOS 16 or above versions in your iPhone, you can use these apps to download the lock screen wallpapers with the depth effect. Before diving into the list of apps, I must share you an important tip. You can use any picture that you take even with your iPhone camera and pictures that you download from Google Image Search or from internet or from any other wallpaper app. The important thing is like the subject has to be in the front in that specific image, and you can pinch zoom to adjust that angle to get that depth effect in your lock screen. If the background of the subject is plain, just like the purple color that we are seeing, purple and blue combination that we are seeing here, the depth effect can easily be achieved. So remember, while taking a picture, if you take a person with the sky in the background or any other plain or similar grass kind of in the background, you can use that picture also as with the depth effect in your lock screen. And you can swipe towards left to get some different color choices before setting it as a wallpaper. This will definitely be useful to get some different look. And without any delay, let's see the applications that will help you to download the lock screen wallpapers with the depth effect. The first one is LockD. Just like any other wallpaper applications, there are a couple of things you need to know that this app also has a free tier and the paid tariff. If you want to browse their collections and if you don't want to see their advertisements, then you can pay for the application and get a complete full experience of the app. The developer, make their living by charging you something for their applications, for their efforts, they charge something. And before downloading anything, the important thing, the security alert that I have to give you is whatever the apps that you download in iPhone or Android, it doesn't matter. When you see the advertisements similar to this, don't fall for it. Many rummy related gambling advertisements, casino related advertisements, the games could be there. It may show some attractive price figures. Most of the users will end up losing money. So don't try to click on it or download the app from the app store that you see in the advertisement. It will not be the same as what it claims. So wait for a few seconds, like 10 or 20 seconds, skip the ad or close the ad and dive into the app. The same appears even when you try to download any specific wallpaper that you like. As you can see, category wise they have ordered it, and when you try to download for standard definition, you have to watch a short video for like approximately 10 seconds. So after this, you can download the wallpaper and set it as your lock screen wallpaper. So this is how it actually works. So you need to spend 10 to 20 seconds watching those annoying ads without any choice to get those wallpapers that you actually like. So here the dog wallpaper, it looks so beautiful, and at the same time by default it didn't get the depth effect. So I have pinch zoomed and to set it perfectly to match with the lock screen with depth effect. So similar to this, if you have any other wallpapers, you can use it, of course. The second one is Lock Screen 16. This app also contains some fancy widgets that you can use in your iPhone lock screen widget area. If you use any wallpaper without the depth effect, you can use the widget in your lock screen. You cannot use both at the same time. Apple doesn't allow us in at present with the iOS 16. Maybe in future we will get such option. So here the animals collection wallpaper is really good with this application, and I have just downloaded a giraffe wallpaper, and here this is how beautifully it looks on your lock screen when you set it as your lock screen wallpaper. And the third one is just Lock Screen. The name of the app is Lock Screen, and I'll leave a link to these apps in the description and in the first comment to make your download task easier. And here in this app also you can see that they have separate plus category where you need to pay for the wallpapers that they have in that plus category set. There are, of course, free wallpapers that you can download and use with depth effect and also to use with widgets as well. So if you like the wallpaper in the free section, you can, of course, download it here. The red color wallpaper looks really good, and it is from one of the popular and most of iPhone users' favorite wallpaper designer, AR72014. Try to search him in Google and in Twitter also. You can find his gallery and you will find most of his wallpapers very useful. So the mountain wallpaper looks so beautiful, and you can search our channel with a keyword like wallpapers to find HD wallpapers, some tips that I have shared a while ago. I'll leave a link to that video also in the description. You may find it useful. Thank you so much for your patience, and if you find it useful, don't forget to share it with your friends also. Take care and have a wonderful day.